And we're back to learning Affinity in here, day 78. Let me show you how you can give a stroke to a text element. Kind of glanced over it in one of the last videos. So you can, for example, click here on this little circle with the cutout and then change the color. But it's very thin. And you might be asking, how can you actually create this typical stroke where you can adjust the thickness and maybe other features? Well, it can be found right here under FX. It's the layer FX. In this case, it's a text layer. Therefore, we can add these effects here to a text element. But first, let me get rid right here of this reddish stroke. Click on the FX again. What you need is the outline option. Check the box. Under color, you can adjust it. But let me actually increase the radius here from 0. So this is the thickness. It's here simply called radius. And you can adjust the color. The drop down is to arrange this color slide a little bit differently. There's also a color picker. We have contours and gradients as well. I'm going to go into depth with this in a future video. Alignment is important. It aligns it according to the text element that you've got. So to the inside, it will paint over the fill. Center, it will be cut in half. And outside, this will add the radius to the fill. And then we have also opacity and the typical blending modes. Once again, make sure that the box next to outline is checked. And you can always click right here on the FX of this layer element to reopen the menu and then readjust the stroke effect. And this is how you can add a stroke to text element in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.